If your Microsoft Word document is split into two panes and you want to turn that off, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disable split in Word in just a few seconds. This is super helpful if you accidentally enabled split view and now want to get back to a normal single page workspace. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document and look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click on the View tab. This is where Word keeps the options for changing how your document is displayed on screen. Once you're in the View tab, look for the Split option in the window or View Controls. If your document is currently split into two sections, you should see an option that says Remove Split. Click Remove Split and Word will immediately return your document to a single full-screen editing view. That's it. The split is now disabled and you can keep working normally without the screen being divided. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're still on the View tab and that the document is active. In most cases, this is the fastest way to fix it, and you don't need any extra settings or tools. This simple change can make editing much easier, especially if split view was making the document harder to read or navigate. So once again, just go to View and click Remove Split to disable it. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.